firsthand, oh my goodness, to all of my new subscribers. Hello, you guys. It's yours truly, Glamboy Lavar. You guys probably have met me by my government name by now. But if need be, or if not need be, just know that I love you and I thank you guys so much for tuning in. Okay, so I got 3 bundles and a closure. And I decided to just use 2 of the bundles. So for me using 2 of the bundles, I got some pack hair for this bang part. And it is just what it says, I feel, personally. So it says Virgin Brazilian Straight Hair, 3 bundles with a lace ombre closure, 1B30. So the bundle itself is 1B and the ending result is 30. We will go to the characteristics. The characteristics, it says no bad odor, double strong with machine width, tight and neat to ensure the hair, no shedding, no tangle, can be curled, straightened, and restyled as you like. Last up to 1 year with good care. Well, I'm gonna see. So then it goes down into the hair lengths. They offer 8 inches through 28 inches. This hair texture is silky straight Brazilian hair. The hair quality is 8A top rated ombre colored Brazilian straight hair bundles with a 4x4 lace closure. And that's what I have also in the room. But I think I'm just gonna turn that into a all around regular unit that I'm probably gonna sew together. So I'll sew that together and I'll come back in with another video, probably add another different kind of flavor to it, and we'll just go from there. So we have the hair quality, like right now what I'm reading is it has hair length, hair texture, hair type, hair quality, hair weight. That's where we're at now, hair weight. So the hair weight is 95 through 100 per bundle. 95 through 100 grams per bundle. Let me say it like that, I apologize. And the closure itself is 30 through 40 grams per piece. However many closures you buy, that's how many it will sustain of hair when it comes down to the weighing point. I know. So the packaging, it tells you how many things you order. I only ordered 4 pieces, 3 bundles and a closure, which equals 4 pieces. And then it has shipment time, which is it has 3 through 5 working days. Goodness gracious, I want to add my own words, but I want to specifically say what it says. So therefore, once you go on the website and you order, you'll already know exactly what it says and what to expect. Coming from there, it just shows pictures of the hair. And I would say that is it. I'll give you some more pictures on up in here to show you throughout, throughout the wedding, because I went to a wedding with it first, and I love just how everything was with the wedding. I had a really great time. Coming from the wedding standpoint, I don't know, I did good in itself with the hair. I loved it. It was excellent. So this review is everything. Order the hair. I mean, especially if you want a different color. I ordered it because I did not want to dye any brown hair and lift it up to a 30. You know, I didn't. So I went ahead and I got some, and I really loved the way it looked. I mixed it with another light colored bang. Hey, we are in there, you know. I haven't put any oils or anything on it like that, which I love, and that's another reason why I'm reviewing the hair too. When I show you how I just installed the ponytail, it did great justice. So without further ado, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hey you guys, I do apologize. I did not show how I applied the bang. I just simply glued it in just how you would glue, tracks onto a scalp. And yeah, I left I already had my backup, but again, I wore it for a wedding, so now I'm going to restyle it and re-put it in some stuff,
Alrighty.
show you guys what it looks like, and go from there. I'm already slicked up, gelled up, spritzed up, so now it's time to get ponytailed up. Here we go.
Lord, I remember growing up. This brings back so many memories. All my cousins always doing their little ponytails and shit for school, getting ready, thinking they was cute. Then I was just growing up. Predominantly, my family is females, so it was, of course, to me, hair was always installed in me. To me, so my family's never understood why. I watched them do so many styles, and then it was times to where, I didn't see my family do certain stuff. But now here I, now here I am doing the same techniques that I seen them doing when I was growing up. You know, it's it's a different feeling. It's a very different feeling. Ponytail, check. Now it's time for this bang. Come on, trusty bestie. Baby, for some reason, whichever way I stand, that's which way I curl my soap. Time to get dressed. Okay, so I'm dressed. I hate flyaways. That's why I do the flyaways, so I don't mess up my fabric. All right. Add a little lip, top it off, fix this bang. And that's the complete look to how you achieve this style. Yeah, that's about it. So, you guys, I'm going to leave it here. And